हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. मी ऋतुजा लावरे महाराष्ट्र मीडिया आमच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 7-2 इंडिया बिफोर द टाइम्स ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन and answer. Question number 1 is name the following. The Queen of Gondwana. Answer Rani Durgavati. Then second, the son of Uday Singh. Answer is Maharana Pratap. Third, the founder of Mughal dynasty. Answer is Babul. The first Sultan of the Bahmani kingdom. Answer Hassan Gangu. Fifth is the fighting force established by Guru Gobind Singh. Answer is Khalsa Dal. Question number 2 is find the odd one out. Answer first, Sultan Mahmud, Kutubuddin Aibak, Muhammad Ghori, Babur. Answer Sultan Muhammad. Second, Adil Shahi, Nizam Shahi, Sultanate, बरीद शाही. आन्सर सुलतानेत. अकबर. थर्ड आहे अकबर, हुमायून, शेरशाह, औरंगजेब. आन्सर इज शेरशाह. क्वेश्चन 3 इज आन्सर ब्रीफली. फर्स्ट, हाउ डिड द किंगडम्स ऑफ विजयनगर अँड बहामनी इमर्ज. आन्सर ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ सुल्तान मुहम्मद तुगलुक ऑफ दिल्ली. There were many revolts in the south against the central power of Delhi. From these revolts arose the formidable Vijayanagar and Bahmani kingdoms. Second is, what reforms did Muhammad Gawan make? Answer, Muhammad Gawan strengthened the Bahmani kingdom. He started paying the soldiers their salary in cash instead of through land grants. He brought discipline in the army. He introduced many reforms in the land revenue system. He opened a madrasa at Bidar for Arabic and Persian studies. Third is, why did it become impossible for the Mughals to strengthen their base in Assam? Answer, while Aurangzeb ruled, the Ahoms had a prolonged struggle with the Mughals. The Mughals attacked the Ahoms region. The Ahoms united under the leadership of Gadadhar commander Lachit Borphukan gave an intense battle against the Mughals. The Ahoms used the guerrilla technique in the conflict against the Mughal. It becomes impossible for Mughals to create a strong base in Assam. Question number 4 is write about them briefly in your own words. First is Krishna Devaraya. Answer, Krishna Devaraya ascended the throne of Vijayanagar in 1509 century. He conquered Vijayawada, Rajmahendari and annexed the regions of his kingdom. He successfully took on the armies of the sultans who had united under the leadership of the Bahmani Sultan Muhammad Shah. During his reign, the Vijayanagar kingdom extended far and wide. He built the Hazar Ram temple and Vithal temple in Vijayanagar. A scholar, he wrote Amuk Tamalarda, a Telugu compendium on polity. Decline of the Vijayanagar kingdom began with his death in year 1530 century. Then second is Chand Bibi was murdered. Answer, Chand Bibi, the capable daughter of Hussain Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, bravely defended the fort, displaying courage and valor. At this time, there was an internal strife among the factions of the Sardars in Nizam Shahi's kingdom, resulting in the murder of Chand Bibi. Then, Rani Durgavati. Answer, Rani Durgavati, born in the dynasty Chandel Rajput, became an queen of Gondwana after her marriage. She was an excellent administrator. Her struggle against the Mughals is important in medieval history. After her husband's death, Durgavati laid down her life but refused to surrender while fighting against the Akbar. Question 5, give the reasons. Answer, the Bahmani kingdom disintegrated into 5 fragments. Answer, after the death of Muhammad Gawan, factionism increased among the Bahmani Sardars. The conflict with the Vijayanagar kingdom had an adverse effect on the Bahmani kingdom. The provincial governors began to act more independently. This leads to the disintegration of the Bahmani kingdom into five small power: Imad Shahi of Warhad, Barid Shahi of Bidar, Adil Shahi of Bijapur, Nizam Shahi of Ahmednagar, and Qutub Shahi of Golconda. Second is Rana Sanga's army was defeated. Answer: after the battle of Panipat, Rana Sanga of Mewad brought all Rajput kings together. There was a battle between Babur and Rana Sanga at Khawna. Babur's artillery and reserved force played a key role in this battle, and Rana Sanga's army was defeated. Third is Rana Pratap has become immortal in history. Answer: after the death of Uday Singh, Maharana Pratap ascended the throne of Mewad. He continued the struggle for Mewad's existence. Till the very end, he struggled with Akbar to maintain his independence. He has become immortal in history due to his qualities of valor, courage, self-respect, and sacrifice. Fourth is Aurangzeb imprisoned Guru Tegh Bahadur. Answer: Guru Tegh Bahadur protested strongly against Aurangzeb's policy of religious intolerance. Aurangzeb imprisoned him and beheaded him in 1675. Fifth is the Rajputs fought against the Mughals. Answer: Akbar had secured the cooperation of the Rajput with his policy of amicable relations. Aurangzeb could not obtain the cooperation of Rajputs. After the death of Rana Jaswant Singh of Marwad, Aurangzeb annexed his kingdom to the Mughal empire. Durga Das Rathod crowned Javant Singh's minor son of Ajit Singh of Marwad. Durga Das Rathod fought hard against the Mughals and continued his struggle against the Mughals for the existence of Marwad. Sixth is complete the timeline. Answer: 1336 century, establishment of Vijayanagar kingdom. 1347 century, establishment of Bahmani kingdom. 1509 century, Krishna Dev Raya ascended the throne of Vijayanagar, and 1523 century there are establishment of the Mughal power. तर अशा प्रकारे इथे हा जो आपला चॅप्टर होता, चॅप्टर नंबर 2 इंडिया बिफोर द टाइम्स ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज हा संपलेला आहे. सो थँक्यू सो मच स्टुडंट्स फॉर वॉचिंग अँड कीप वॉचिंग महाराष्ट्र मीडिया.